Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing well. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my current favorite products. I hope it will be helpful for you and it will help you to get to know me a little bit more. So I'm going to start by sharing you my go-to product, my essential product. This is a product that I need in my life, like I cannot do without. And that product is the keiffes Lip Repair Lip Balm, long-lasting hydration. Yes, this is my go-to product. This is one that I have to have. For some reason, I don't know why, my lips always get dry. Like, it doesn't really matter what season it is. I've tried a lot of things, but this is the one. This Carmex is what keeps my lips hydrated, and it's what does the job for me. So it's keiffes Lip Repair Cooling Relief Lip Balm. So my next must-have product is the women's Mitchums deodorant. As you can see, so this one smells like lemons. It's citrusy. I also like the one that smells like baby powder. The difference is that it's pink rather than yellow on the outside. Really good for the sun, really good at any season, any time. I'm always using this. This is like my go-to deodorant. I love it. It does the job. It really works. Yeah, and I love the smell. So, and then we have the Mielle. I say Mielle. I don't know if it's Mielle or Mielle, but the Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. Yep, so I discovered this product through TikTok. Like, I never heard of the brand Mielle before. And as soon as I saw the reviews on it on TikToks and how effective it was, I went ahead and brought it. And it does say that it's infused with biotin, which encourages growth. I've been using this for quite a while now, and I do see a difference in my hair. My hair is healthy. My hair is bouncy. My hair is just soft and manageable. So another product from the same brand, Mielle, is this pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner. This one as well smells fantastic. Like, I love that the fact that it has honey. I love that it keeps your curls like defined. And the next product I have is my 100% natural glycerine. So there's not really a lot I can say about it, but you can look up the benefits of glycerine. It's good. It keeps the skin hydrated. It keeps the hair hydrated and moisturized. That's the key things that it does. Last but not least, we have our aloe vera. This is the one I use. It's by the company Neurifi. And yeah, I use it for my skin. I use it for my hair. It's super hydrating, super moisturizing. It's good for inflammation, good for scarring. It's good for blemishes. Yeah, I like to buy multi-purpose or multi-functioning products. This is multi-purpose because it targets problem areas of the skin and of the hair. So this is the reason why I buy it. And this is a huge amount, which will last me a long time. And oh yeah, so this headscarf as well, or I don't know what do you call these things? This is a go-to as well, which I use especially when I'm doing the school runs and I'm rushing, my hair's not sorted out and I need to put something on quickly. I put these headscarves on. It's a collection from I got it from Amazon. Section has different patterns and different styles. There's a all black one as well. So this is my go-to when I'm doing the school runs. So let me know if you use any of the products that I've mentioned. Let me know if you know any better products that I could be using. And I'll see you in my next video.